According to a news release put out by the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation, the Russian army will receive more than 40 modern multiple-launch rocket systems and self-propelled howitzers with a fully automatic fire control system in 2019. As part of the State Defense Order for 2019, local industry will hand over to the Ministry of Defense of Russia modern Tornado G and Tornado S multiple-launch rocket systems, as well as two S-19M SM self-propelled howitzers. Tornado S is the advanced version of the Soviet-era Smerch multiple-launch rocket system. It is being upgraded with the special GLONASS satellite navigation system used in the Smerch missile system and will have guided rocket rounds enabling it to fire out to 72 miles, 120 kilometers. Tornado S is to replace Smerch in service of the Russian Army. The Tornado G is a modernized version of the BM-21 Grad MLRS. The system has increased fire effectiveness, more powerful ammunition, and automated guidance, aiming, and navigation equipment. As a Tornado S, the G version also is equipped with an automated guidance and fire control system, along with automated equipment for launch preparations and the launch itself. The two S-19M SM is upgraded version of MST-S self-propelled howitzer that entered service with the Soviet Army in 1989. The MST-SM is built around a 2A65 152mm howitzer that is capable of firing about 8 rounds per minute. The new version will likely be able to fire faster because it is equipped with a new gun and improved loader.
Плохо.